Gen 3 Tacoma owners, replace all of those factory halogen bulbs with LED. We'll do the tail lights. Let's get it.
This is a super simple mod that changes the look of your truck. Drop the tailgate and you'll find these three 10mm bolts. Now to remove the tail light, you simply pull straight towards you and they pop out of place. Lay a towel down so you don't scratch up your lens. Now let's install the new ones from LED Factory Mart. Simply twist and then pull to remove the socket and bulb from the housing. After you remove each bulb from the factory harness, all you do is simply plug in the harness from the new lights into your factory harness and then pop each tail light into place. Now give it a test to make sure everything is working correctly before removing the plastic film and bolting back down into place. Now reinstall your 10mm bolts and repeat the same steps for the other side and you're good to go.